Question is find the nature of roots of quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. Here quadratic equation is x square plus 4x minus 3 root 2. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to minus 3 root 2. Here we need to find the discriminant. Discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting all the values, we have delta is equal to b square, that's equal to 4 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is equal to minus 3 root 2. That's equal to 16. 4 into 3 root 2. That's equal to 16 plus 12 root 2. Root 2 is equal to 1.414 approximately. So substituting the values, delta is equal to 16 into 16 plus 12 into 1.414. So that we will get approximately 32.968, which is greater than 0. Hence, the decrement is greater than 0. The polynomial x square plus 4x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0 has real and distinct. Distinct means unequal roots because the delta is greater than 0. The discriminant is greater than 0. X square plus 4x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0 has real and distinct or unequal roots.